Gold and silver both gave a gap down opening today, now trading with a drop. You can see gold trading at 1670 while silver trading at 2050 levels. Now what to expect today? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Missing on to subscribe this channel is missing on the profits. So do like, share, subscribe and comment. Do press the bell icon. Listen to it carefully. Just trade as per the levels. Just stick to the levels and definitely you can benefit. Let's start. Now see, gold has retraced till here. It has got the support at 1670. Now trying to stabilize here. Once it breaks past 1675, you can buy again. Till the time it trades below 1675, do not think of buying. But once it trades above 1675, you can stay long and you can expect it to rise. At the same time, trading below 1665, and specifically as I shared in my weekly analysis, 1660 is the major support. So we'll try to find out the levels there. Directional movement is moderately bullish. Stochastic is oversold. The MACD has crossed over. This is divergent and bearish. RSI comfortable, and if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts too, you'll find that it is stabilized after the drop. Yes, it has shown a reversal sign. See, this is the reversal indication, and after that it is trying to stabilize. Also, this is trying to reverse from here. I will wait and watch, and if it breaks beyond 1675, you can buy, but then expect 1680 major support there, and beyond that only it will resume the uptrend. So it is going to trade in this channel. You can expect 1690, 1695 and 1700 levels on the upside. 1700 is a major resistance. Direction movement bullish. Stochastic looking downwards. The MACD has seen the highs. It has to converge and cross over for a sell. Let's see if it does. RSI trading near to the highs. Likewise on the 3-hour charts, after a little drop, it is retraced here and now trying to look upwards, possibly breaking below 1667. You can sell. 1665 is a major support though. On the downside, yes, 1665, 1660 are the major supports. Directional movement is bullish still. The stochastic is falling from the highs there, looking downwards. MACD has also seen the highs. Probably it must converge and drop. RSI is also near to the top and overbought. Now look at the 4-hour charts. See, look at this candle. There is a gravity on the downside. There is a smaller body, and this candle is of indecision. I will wait for the next candle where if you see it trading below 1670, yes, you can sell, but 1667 and 1665 and 1660 are the major support. On the downside, breaking below 1660, it can drop till towards 1650 levels. Directional movement is still bullish. Stochastic is overbought. The MACD is divergent and extremely bullish. RSI is trading near to the highs. Now look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, lower highs are done. Probably once it drops below 1670, you can expect a little more drop, which might bring it till towards 1665, 1660, 1655, 1650. Till 1650 it has got a stronger support, and then my favorite number 1645 and 40 will come into picture. Directional movement is bullish. Stochastic overbought. MACD is divergent and bullish. RSI is comfortable. Considering this, you can sell at 1670 and buy at 1675. On the upside, 1681.85 major resistance. Beyond 1685, stay long on gold. It is going to hit 1695, 1700 levels. On the downside, sell at 1670. I think probably it is trying to retrace, and hence on the downside there is a little more which it can try to cover up, which might take it till towards, if you sell at 1670, first target 1665, next is 1660, and below that it may drop till towards 1650 levels. Take your positions accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss, and trade and stick to the levels. Do not miss out on the levels. If you see it reversing any point of time, just close your trades and go for a buy entry. Do not stick to the bias that it is going to drop. Let's hold it for a long. Markets may never reverse or never come back to your position, and hence trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Now let's have a look at silver. And yes, if you want to learn this art, you can join my 17th mentorship batch starting end of November and first week of December. You can be part of it. Don't miss this opportunity. You can start the new year with a fresh beginning. Learning is something which will definitely keep you going for the next few years, and hence first invest in your learning. Join my mentorship batch. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of my signals group. Look at the performance posted in my communities tab. Also, we are very transparent. You can have a look at my channel if you just want to have a look, and then you want to join, you can do that also. Reach out to me on my Telegram ID mentioned in the channel and video description. Let's start. Now, silver trading at 2050 level. It has got the support at 2040 and now trying to stabilize. Once it trades beyond 2060, see these two levels, 2040 and 2060, Beyond 2060 you can buy there, and below 2040 you can sell there. Expect 2020 and then 1980 levels. See, these are the levels which it may try to achieve if it continues to trade on the downside. Directional movement moderately bullish, trying to converge. Stochastic at bottom. The MACD has crossed over. This is divergent and bear, and the RSI trading comfortable, just dropped from the overbought levels. Likewise on the 2 hour charts there is a gap down which it has to fill, but right now it has fallen from the cliff. And yes, if it trades about 2060 you can buy there and expect it to rise a little beyond 2060, 2070, 2080 major resistance, and then beyond that it may try to fill the gap completely till towards 2090 levels. Directional movement moderately bullish, stochastic looking downwards. The MACD is trying to converge here. Probably it may cross over for a sell. RSI is near to the highs. Likewise on the 3 hour charts, if you find consolidating here, probably once it draws below 2040, certainly you can take a sell position. You can expect 22,000 levels as the major support on the 3 hour charts, and then 1980. These are the two levels which are definitely going to provide a very strong support if it continues to trade on the downside. Directional movement bullish, stochastic overbought looking downwards. The MACD is overbought, near to overbought, RSI is near to overbought levels. And if you look at the 4 hour charts, likewise on the 4 hour charts there is a gap which needs to be filled, certainly till 2100, but then we have to take a safe entry, and that's why you can take an entry only at 2080 levels. Beyond 2060 levels, beyond that 2070, 2080 major resistance, and then it may try to fill the gap completely till towards 2090 levels, and beyond that it will fly. If you see the major support on the downside, if it breaks below 2040 you can expect 20 and $2020 levels are very strong support. See, this zone at 1980 2000 is a very strong support for silver. We will see how it behaves there if it continues to drop. Directional movement moderately bullish. Stochastic is extremely overbought, and hence we are looking forward to a little drop here. The MACD is also extremely divergent and bullish. It may probably converge and cross over for a sell. RSI is near to overbought levels. Likewise on the daily charts there is a huge gap which needs to be filled, but at the same time it has given lower highs, and yes, only about 2060 you can expect that it is going to fill the gap on the upside. Below 2040 certainly we may see a little more drop which might take it till towards 1980 levels, and below that it is going to certainly drop strongly. So take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.